Welcome to in front of me T-MOBILE Revvl 6, and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So first we should hold for a while with our finger our device home screen, and then you'll see here the widgets icon. Tap here once, and now we can see here all the available applications with widgets we can add. For example, the settings app has one widget and one shortcut. The YouTube, two of different types of the widgets. The Gmail has only one widget. Here the clock app has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 widgets. For example, let's use the calendar. We can see here the full month view or the schedule. For example, let's add the schedule. Just to add the widget, we should hold it, and after that drag it to our home screen. If you want to resize it, just hold it for a while, and after that you can make it bigger or smaller. Just to move the widget on the screen, you should hold, and after that drag it. As you can see, we can move widgets also between the screens, and we can create the new screens with the widgets. And just to remove it, we should hold it, and after that drag it here to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.